Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your language on MetaMask. So let's get started right away. Tap open your MetaMask application and log into your wallet. Once you're logged in to the main homepage, tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner. Under Settings menu, tap on General at the very top. Scroll down under Current Language and tap on the little drop down. All of the supported language will be listed in the pop-up. Tap on one of the languages you would like to change to, and then you have successfully changed your language for MetaMask. That is how you can easily change the display language of your MetaMask application within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.